Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to keyboard shortcut to open properties in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So very easy and simple method. Firstly, open new and right click and click on new. After click on folder and select folder and Ultra plus enter key type. Ultra plus enter key type. That is. So guys, very easy. Again, firstly select folder, new folder, and Ultra plus enter key type. Ultra plus enter key type. That is. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. Thank you for your help for latest update.